Hi, good afternoon. How are you? We do have freshly baked cookies, brownies, and croissants. Best sellers namin for cookies are chocolate, walnut, and triple chocolate. For croissants, they're ham and cheese and pan au chocolat.
Miss yung the cookie. Ilang
30 minutes na po yung cookie. We have to make fine. So sorry. Hindi namin naghahanap. I know.
sige, I'll get one cookie.
Alright, anything else for you?
One chocolate walnut.
And one chocolate walnut cookie.
And one chocolate chip.
And one chocolate chip cookie.
Gusto mo kayo yung brownie?
The brownies all out na yan.
Ano daw po yung sweets niya sa brownies?
Actually, iba-iba naman siya na flavor profile. The Cookie Butter Blondie is the sweetest of them all. It is made with white chocolate, Biscoff spread, and then Biscoff cookies.
Sige na. Sige,
Hindi ko na-explain dalawa. Okay ka na doon?
sige po, one cookie butter blondie.
Oh, pero you guys already have one Cookie Butter Blondie. Gawin natin dalawa?
Hindi, yung isa po is isang peanut
Okay, sige. Ulitin ko lang order niyo guys. That's one Cookie Butter Blondie, one chocolate walnut cookie, one chocolate chip cookie, and one peanut butter fudge brownie. Total natin is 800 pesos. Thank you. I received 1,000.
Dili picture para ano yung pagiging club station. Wala pa daw
Hopefully, a little later or the next time you come over, meron na ulit siya available. Medyo fast-moving din the cookie for today.
Parang ayaw pa magpakain.
Para daw bumalik ka. Ay! Thank you so much and enjoy.
Everything.
Very good. Thank you. Enjoy everything. Thank you.